What is up, George here. So I've been asked many times by many different people, from young millennials to older adults, on how they should invest their money. Now, it can get scary, it can get difficult. Even when you have a lot of money, it can be difficult. You don't know what to do with it, even when you don't have much. So in this video, I want to break down what has worked for me and what has worked for many other successful people that I have talked to, from multi-millionaires to billionaires, on how to invest your money. Now I'm going to break it down for you in different categories, from $1,000 and below to $1,000 to $10,000, $10,000 to $150,000, and $150,000 plus. All right? In this video, I'm going to really break it down for you and kind of give you an outline of how you should be looking to invest your money. Now, your first $1,000. Now, you may have gotten this money, you may just come to the realization like, okay, I don't want to spend my money on a bunch of bull crap anymore, and I actually want to start investing in myself. Or you may just be starting to get a job, you may be young, looking to start putting your money towards something to really grow. This first $1,000 and below, you want to begin to invest in yourself, in your brain, in your mind, in your abilities. You want to put it towards yourself. This is going to be the biggest catalyst of your success. This is the starting point. Even if you're watching this video right now and you have $10,000 to invest, you want to make sure that you begin and you always invest in your brain and invest in your mind. Now, what do I mean by this? You're going to start buying books. Start reading books, good books. Look up the best business books to read, the best books on success, the best books on mindset, books like Think and Grow Rich. Start to invest in these books, and I'll put some down in the description below. Begin to invest in courses, in online courses. Now, don't get overwhelmed and invest in the first course that you see on a YouTube video because the guy looks extremely successful. Ask other people first. If you're going to invest in a course, if you're going to put a couple $100s into a course, ask others that have gone through the course. Go through, find that, and say, do you recommend this? Figure out if it's the right fit for you, right? Go through that first. Get the word of mouth from other people. I had $300 in my account, and I was like, how do I go about this? I invested in a course that I knew was going to benefit me, and that was a huge catalyst for my success. If I decided to put that $300 into, let's say, a stock, let me put $300 into a stock, even though that wouldn't get you that far, I probably would have lost it, and I would have been down on myself, and I would have been like, oh, I'll give up, whatever. So you want to invest your first $1,000 and below in yourself, in your brain, in books, in courses, in materials, in going to events where other like-minded people are, other seminars that aren't too expensive. Okay, so that's the first investment that you want to make. This is the most important. Your next category investments, $1,000 to $10,000. You started to understand yourself in that first category as you were investing in yourself, in your brain, in your mind. So you're starting to understand yourself, and you may have a feel for, okay, I want to get into this business now. This is a business that I want to get into. This is something that interests me. So let's say you started to look into stocks and you got real interested in stocks. Gain more of an education. Get a personal mentor. There may be someone who's extremely successful in it. Maybe it's a $2,000 course. But make sure it's a good one, right? Invest in that. Or start to put this towards marketing efforts. Maybe you have this business that you want to look into, you want to start to dive into, you really want to get into. You study that in your first $1,000 and below. Start to put money into it. So maybe it's ads on Facebook. Maybe it's building a website. Maybe it's getting good pictures for your website. But also be studying, a lot of this money into studying the business as well. So like I said, that personal mentor is helping you with the business. Courses, more courses that are specific to this business. Start to invest in this. This is gaining your business knowledge, your business wisdom. Now we move on to the category $10,000 to $150,000. This, you have more wiggle room here. And you're going to be using this money to do different things like investing in your business, getting started in real estate, whatever it is that you choose to do, putting more money into stocks. Again, that $10,000 to $1,000, that could be stocks. You're starting to go towards stocks if that's something that you're into and that's something you're gaining knowledge on. But this $10,000 to $150,000 is going to give you more room to play, right? You're not going to be wasting money. You're not going to say, okay, I have $10,000. Let me just throw $5,000 away. No, but you have more room to use it, to invest in greater things, to invest in other assets, right? To invest in homes. You want to flip homes? Start investing in them. But obviously gain the knowledge first. Mobile homes, something that I do. Start investing in mobile homes and flipping them and fixing them. Start to increase your capital. You want your money to work for you. Start to invest in stocks. Start to invest in this. Start to invest in that. I'm not too big in stocks. I have a couple stocks here and there, so I can't give you much advice on that. But there are people out there, and if that's something that you're interested in, that's something to gain your knowledge and to dig into. Invest more of this money into courses. Again, your knowledge. Always be gaining knowledge. And spend this money to gain access towards other people, right? Towards successful people. So let's say you want to go to a mastermind event full of successful people. Maybe it's a 3-day event with very successful people. One good idea from there could be $1 million idea that you get. So don't be scared to invest this money in an event like that. Make sure it's a good one though. Again, always do your research first. Spend money traveling to meet the right people. $10,000 to $150,000. You got real estate, invest in your business. Just continue to use this to make you more money. Okay? Now we get $150,000 to $1 million is the next category. This is where you have a lot more wiggle room than any other category. Real estate is something to invest in, to gain that passive income, to have the money coming in. Stocks, if that's something that you're interested in. Start buying businesses at this point. Creating more businesses, buying businesses. This is when you have the employees. Get an assistant to help you with all of these things. Start to really use this money to accumulate more money. Businesses, you can buy businesses with this money. Failing businesses, turn them around. You can buy bigger stocks, invest in bigger companies, invest in bigger real estate that's going to pay off larger for you. $150,000 to $1 million. Now the $1 million plus, things become more and more unlimited, right? The things that you can invest in, but again, you want to take that first thing that you're doing, gaining the knowledge and the wisdom in your mind and in your brain and continuing to circulate that up, and up. But if you're stuck right now and you're not sure how to invest your money, don't get overwhelmed with the word investing. Start with your brain, start with your mind, and once you invest in that, things will become much simpler. You'll start to get more answers to what you should be doing. You'll start to understand yourself more. You'll start to understand what you like more. There's not one thing to invest in that's going to make you $1 million. Go invest in this stock because it's going to make you $1 million. Go invest in this company. Go do this MLM because it's going to make you $1 million. No, there is no overnight success. There is no get-rich-quick scheme. And there are many things that you can invest in, from real estate, mobile homes, cars, stocks, furniture, stores. Like, there's so many different things that you can do. Just figure out which one is best for you. And as you continue to go through each stage, your $1,000 below, your $1,000 to $10,000, your $10,000 to $150,000, your $150,000 plus, you'll start to understand yourself more. You'll start to make wiser choices and wiser investments, and you'll be on the right track, and your money will be working for you because every single dollar that you have is a worker. Remember that. Thank you very much for watching this video. Subscribe. Please subscribe if you wanted to watch more videos like this. Comment below if you got any takeaways. If you have any ideas of how you invest or how you invest your money, let us know and share it with others. And I'll see you in the next video.